Hello everyone, I recently had the privilege of attending a great session with Dr. Prabhat Kaushik sir, the founder of Education Beyond Books. He discussed the key qualities every teacher should have, and it really made me think. In this video, I will talk about what I learned, especially about responsiveness to the students' queries. Responsiveness to the students' queries refers to a teacher's ability and willingness to actively listen, understand, and appropriately address the questions, doubts, and concerns raised by the students during the teaching learning process. It is not merely about providing answers, but about creating a learning environment where curiosity is encouraged, questions are welcomed, and every student feels heard and supported. Now I wanted to include some points regarding responsiveness to the students' queries. First, creates an inclusive learning environment. When a teacher responds with patience, understanding, students feel more comfortable expressing their thoughts and asking questions. This fosters an inclusive classroom culture where learners of all abilities and backgrounds can participate actively. It also helps to eliminate fear of judgment or ridicule, which can be a barrier of learning. Second, promotes students' engagement and critical thinking. A responsive teacher encourages students to think deeply and ask meaningful questions. When their queries are taken seriously and responded to thoughtfully, students become more engaged in the learning process. Third, builds trust and teacher-student rapport. Responsiveness builds trust between the teacher and students. When students know that their concern will be addressed respectfully and promptly, they are more likely to approach the teacher with both academic and personal challenges. 4. Supports differentiated learning. Every student learns at their own pace and in their own style. Responding effectively to the individual queries helps teachers identify where the student is struggling and allows them to provide tailored guidance or alternative explanation. This responsiveness supports differentiated instructions and helps bridge learning gaps. In conclusion, responsiveness to students' queries is much more than answering questions. It is a fundamental teaching approach that nurtures curiosity, supports learning diversity, builds strong teacher-student relationship, and cultivates a healthy, vibrant classroom culture. It is a reflection of our teachers' empathy, expertise, and dedication to holistic education. Thank you.